I don't know if you saw it as I was squeezing it, as I was pressing them together. First, it started coming up. The Kydex and the pistol, the mold started coming up. So I had to put all my weight in it to push it down. And then I kept clamp, and it started squirting out the backside. And this one's scrap. Well, that was for that one. Then I got the new piece, made it real quick, and then pushed it in there, and you could see where it folded over. Like, fuck! And I don't know if you saw me throw it. That one's trash. That one looks like it turned out, and I don't want to jinx myself. Whatever you got to do to get the blessings of the Kydex holster gods. When I get it out of there, I got to let it cool and set up, and we'll see tomorrow. Fingers crossed. So anyway, that's it. I had a lot of fun. You could probably tell, and that's it. I had a lot of fun. All right, that's it. How many times did I say that's it? Like 2 or 3 times? One more time. That's it. Yeah, 3 is magic number because that took me 3 times to do that. Not gonna say it again. I almost said I love you. All right, bye.